yes, quick, straight and brilliant.
Yeah, exceptional from Bumrah.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Sanmitra and in this video we are going to talk about something very interesting, that is the bowling action of Jasprit Bumrah and the physics behind it. Everybody knows about Bumrah. He is one of the deadliest fast bowlers in today's world cricket, and we Indians are lucky to have him in our arsenal. Now, what makes Bumrah special? Number one is his unique action. His action is one of the most unorthodox actions ever seen in cricket, and due to his action, he can generate sheer pace and he can swing the ball both ways. And just see here one thing. And one more thing I want to say, that due to his action, he can also let the ball dip. Now, what is this dip? Dip means, I will be showing it in animation in the last part of the video. Since the ball is actually moving like this, but due to the change in air pressure, due to the movement of the ball will either hit the ground before the actual trajectory shows, or it will hit the ground at a later point. So what happens in case of Bumrah, let me tell you. In case of Bumrah's action, there is something called reverse Magnus Effect. So what is reverse Magnus Effect? Reverse Magnus Effect means, see, when Bumrah actually releases the ball, it's called whiplash release, the ball actually spins backwards. When the ball is spinning backwards, the air above it will be flowing along the surface and the air below it will be flowing against the surface. So the airspeed above the ball will be faster and the airspeed below the ball will be slower. And by applying Bernoulli's theorem, we can get that the ball will experience a net upward lift, which I will be showing in the animation, and thus the batsman, it will be staying in the air for a longer period of time. This is why the Yorkers bowled by Jasprit Bumrah is very dangerous. Jasprit Bumrah will bowl a Yorker and the batsman will not understand it's a Yorker. The batsman will think that the ball is actually a length ball. Then the batsman will adjust accordingly, but suddenly the ball will hit the batsman towards his leg. That is why you see Jasprit Bumrah is famous for his LBW dismissals. So that's it. And this is also called reverse Magnus Effect. There is a effect called Magnus Effect when the ball is actually spinning in the forward direction, and it will tend to strike the ground faster. And this reverse Magnus Effect, because due to the action of Jasprit Bumrah, the ball actually spins backwards. So this will let the ball stay in the air, and that is his normal delivery. And sometimes Bumrah also bowls in a fashion that the ball will spin forward, and that will create awkward bounce. So that was all about Bumrah. And this Magnus Effect and reverse Magnus Effect, this is not generally a thing of fast bowling, but Bumrah's unique action incorporates this effect into fast bowling. This is actually something spin bowlers make use, drift, dip, etc. I'll be making a separate video. And also in football, in golf, in baseball, everywhere this Magnus Effect is, the application of this Magnus Effect is there. Okay, so that's all for this video, and you can see the animation here onwards to understand more about reverse Magnus Effect and how it helps Jasprit Bumrah to create such deadly in-dipping Yorkers.
Oh yes, what a way to end a cricket match. Perfect Yorkers at searing pace. Bang bang goes Bumrah.
Here there is no spinning of the ball, hence pressure at the top is equal to pressure at the bottom, hence no lift force. But here, due to backspin, the airflow is not equal, and at the top the airspeed is more due to addition, and at the bottom lower due to subtraction. Hence there is unequal pressure at the top and the bottom, and this results in a net upward lift, which is known as reverse Magnus Effect. Thus, due to reverse Magnus Effect, the ball will tend to dip later, and the batsman will misjudge the length and will find it difficult. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.